Mateo, is there too much risk to short it down to micro support? Not necessarily, no. It's only risky if you don't manage it well. Let's say if you did get short here and had a stop loss here. Again, it is an aggressive trade, but aggressive doesn't always equal risk. Aggressive just means you're going against the grain. If momentum is in one way and you're going against that momentum, it's aggressive. A risky trade just means that you're risking too much. That's kind of my view on it. Aggressive trades, sometimes I take them in certain situations. I probably wouldn't be looking to short gold. That's a bit too aggressive for me because this is bullish on pretty much all time frames, all the major ones as well. There's a lot of momentum in the market, so it is quite aggressive, but it is ranging. So in this format, it would make sense. Let's say if we weren't ranging and price was just trending to the upside like this, then yeah, I would say that's way too aggressive. That's way too aggressive because you're just shorting flat out a really bullish trend. If you're shorting from here, of course, you're already seeing that price is moving quite well down, but you've already got resistance to back you up, so it makes sense to short from there. You've already got some rejection, price is rejecting it again, it makes sense to short. Yes, it's still an aggressive trade because you're going against the trend, but you've got some backing there, so it does make sense. And yeah, let's say if price was to return back to that level and reject it again, I still think that's a decent trade to partake in. But also what I would suggest is be prepared to close out early. When you are taking aggressive trades, be prepared to close the trade early because if you are going against the tide, against the main trend, that trend can kick in at any point in time and see some strength. So if you're in the trade, things are going well, but suddenly you're seeing some wicks, strong closures against you, be prepared to run. Don't want to hold that position because you don't have much ground supporting you. If you're in favor of the trend, you can be a bit more lenient with your trades and give yourself a bit more room because you're expecting naturally that higher time frame trend to kick in. But in this case where you don't have that with you and you're going up against it, be prepared to close early. If momentum shifting against you, you don't really want to kind of hold your ground and see if you can take gold head on because it probably won't end too well. So yeah, I don't think it's too risky trade. As long as you're managing risk well, I see it as a good position. As long as you're trading from a healthy location, which I would agree that level would be. And as long as you're on your toes in terms of the management, if things are not looking good, get out of there. If things are looking good, you can hold it to support.